So we have taken example 1, example 2. Now let's look into example 3. Okay, look at the question. It says solve the following. The question says solve the following. A, roots 54a index 5b over 6ab index 3. Alright. And question B, we have 5 index 4 k index minus 2 divided by 5 index 3 k index minus 3. Okay. Now question C, we have 15a index 7 b index 3 over what? 5a index 4 b index 4. Alright. Then D, we have minus a index 4 all index what? 7 over a index 3 multiplied by what? Minus a index 4. Okay, so I told you that when you are to carry out operations in what? Indices, you have to know very well the laws. The laws, yes, the law will guide you. The law. Because if you don't know the laws, definitely you will not be able to what? You will not be able to what? Maneuver in some certain what? Places. Okay. Look at question number D. This is what? Law 3. That if a number is indexed, if a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside the bracket, you see, so same thing. So let's look at them with the laws. Solution. Okay. Number 1, A, which is A, 3a. Now we have roots. 54a index 5b over what? 6a b index 3. Okay. Now we have what? All these in what? Roots. So the first thing you do is, this root is what? Governing what? Everything. Is governing what? This expression. This root is governing what? This whole expression. So what you do is that you say it is equal to, okay, now we have number, we have what? We have alphabet, so you take them singly, so all in brackets. Like I told you that the root is what? Governing what? The expression. So what you do is, the 54, you have 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6. You now enclose it in a bracket. Nothing changed. 54 divided by 6. Nothing changed. Okay. Multiply by. Now, A index 5 over what? A index 5 over A. I can put it just as what I put what? This expression 54 divided by 6. I can put it in what? In this. I can put this base. Base in what? Just as I put what? These two numbers. 54 divided by the same thing. Okay. Now, what I will do is, A index what? 5 divided by A. A index 5 divided by what? A. Enclosed in a bracket. I'm trying to put it in another word format. I'm trying to what? Remove it from what? Fraction. Multiply by B divided by what? B divided by b index what 3. b divided by b index 3. Okay. b divided by b index 3. Okay. So what you do at this junction is, now don't forget the laws. Don't forget the laws. The laws of division that say that if a base, if you have two equal bases, you have two equal or similar base, what you do is you add what? The index. You add the index. If two equal or same dividing bases are indexed, division law, that if two equal or same dividing bases are indexed, that you should subtract the two indices. You should subtract the two indices. Alright, so here we have that it is equal to, we have roots 54 divided by 6 will give us what? 54 divided by 6 will give us 3, will give us what? 9. 54 by 6 will give us 9. I enclose it in a bracket. Okay. I told you that the main division is what? Governing the word expression. Multiply by. Now, this a index 4, a index 5 divided by what? A. It means that since the two bases are equal, you apply the law of division. That if two equal or same base, if two equal or same dividing bases are indexed, that you should subtract the two indices. So what I do here is, you have a index 5. I'm not going to subtract the two indices. This is a, is a. So this is also same as a index 1. A index 1. You can write it a index 1 or only a. So we have divide by, we have minus what? 1. Don't forget a is the same as what? A index 1. You see? So that's why the index of what? A is 1. And then I subtract it from law of indices. Alright. Okay. Follow me. We have multiply by. Now, okay. Look. This division that you are seeing in this expression is coming from what? I'm trying to what? Remove this division. Don't forget that in normal fraction, if you are trying to what? Remove what? Division, then you apply what? Multiplication. Okay. So here we have b index 1. Yes, b. Now if you have y is same as y index 1. X is same as x index 1. So if you have this expression, b divided by what? B index 3. Since the two bases are the same again, subtract the two indices. You have b index 1 minus what? 3. Minus 3. Okay. Follow me. We are going to add that it is equal to, all enclosed in what? In square. All squared. So we have this sentence root 9 times roots a index 5 minus 1 will give us what? A index 5 minus 1 will give us a index what? 4. Give us a index 4. A index 4 times b index 1 minus what? 3. 1 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 2. So we are going to have that the square root of b index minus 2. Okay, now once you have something like this long division is trying to tell you that everything within the square root, you square them singly. So this expression is also the same thing as splitting it, squaring it one by one, you see, and then the multiplication remains. Okay, so it is equal to now, once you take the square root of what any division expression, the answer comes as what? Plus. Once you take the square root of what a division expression, the answer will be in what? Plus or minus. So we want to have plus or minus. The square root of 3 is what? The square root of 3 is what? The square root of 9 is what? 3. The square root of 9 is 3. For 3 squared is what? 9. Times. Now, we have the square root of a index 4. Now, this square root, I can put it in another format that it is what? A index 4 all raised to power 1 over 2 times. So this expression is same thing as this. This expression is same thing as this times a index minus 2 all enclosed in a bracket 1 over what? 2. So this expression is same thing as this. Our root is this. Okay, so this is equal to, now when we have plus or minus 3 times. Now when you have a index 4, remember the third law that if a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, that the two indices are what? Multiplied. So if we have a index 4 multiplying by what? 1 over 2. So this means that you have 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So we have to have what? 2 divided by what? 1. 2 divided by what? 1 give us what? 2. So we want to have a index what? 2. So we want to have times a index what? 2. Times a index 2. Okay. Times. Now we have a index minus 2. A index minus 2 all index 1 over what? 2. The same thing what we did here. The same thing I want to do with what? Here. So we have that a index minus 2. A index minus 2 multiplied by what? 1 over 2. Don't forget that if a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, we multiply 2 indices. So what we now do is minus 2 times what? 1 over 2. Now, I want to have minus 2 times 1 will give us what? A minus what? 2. Minus 2 times 1 is what? Minus 2 over what? 2. 2 divided by 2 give us what? 1. So I want to have a index minus 1. So here I want to have what? A index minus what? 1. You see? So here, say it is equal to, our plus or minus remains. Plus or minus. 3 times what? A index 2. 3 times A index 2 will give us, 3 times A index 2 give us 3A index 2 times, now A index minus 1. A index minus 1. A index minus 1. Now here, you want to have it that minus 2, you can put it in fraction. When you put it in fraction, it will be what? 1 over what? A. It's going to be what? 1 over what? A. 1 over A. 1 over A. So here, we want to have that it is equal to plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus plus or minus 3a times 3a index 2 times 1 will give us 3a index 2. Give us 3a index 2 over a. So this is our what? This is our what? Our answer. 3a index 2 over what? A. Yes, 3a index 2 over a. Now, what you have to note very well is when you have an expression enclosed in a bracket in fractional form enclosed in a square. Now, enclosed by what? A square. The answer will be what? Plus or minus. Just like when you have what? That's why the answer usually get from what? From your quadratic formula, which is called almighty formula, plus or minus the square root of fractional form. So once you have any expression including a bracket fractional form, the answer will be what? Plus or minus, any word, plus or minus. So here what you do is take this number, divide by this number, divide by this. I'm taking it in another form. A index 5 divided by what? 5 times a index 5. Then you now break down. Your answer will be 3a index 2 over what? A. Okay.